Finn, we got Amberlynn, we got Aaron and Ashton. It's the AJ Show. It's the AJ Show.
Love the AJs. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We really appreciate all the love and support that we've been getting, especially those that have been watching all of our videos. We have 2,000 subscribers now. We're super excited. But yeah, thank y'all from the bottom of our hearts. So today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Max. Just came in the mail, hadn't opened it yet, so let's do it. I'm really excited about this phone because I've been rocking with the 10, and yeah, it was time. Definitely time for a new one. So let's see what we got here. The box looks fairly simple to open. New SIM card since we bought it through our provider, so like that. Then we have what I've been looking for. Box is really nice. I'm used to those white iPhone boxes. I think they were about double the thickness too. So this is pretty cool. Got the iPad, it comes with the easy open sticker. Nice, real nice. And I ordered the blue one, Pacific Blue. Oh man, this is nice. First impression, this thing is pretty massive. Compared to my 10, yeah, it's pretty big. All those cameras. Nice. It's pretty big. So oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. It's nice and square like the iPad that we just got, like the iPad Air. It's really shiny. Definitely gonna have to put this thing in a case. Oh, looks like it uses the same lightning connector as the 10, so that's good. That's good. Power this boy on. Comes right on. Give it a few seconds to load up. So, swipe. I'm really liking this, y'all. That screen is huge compared to what I had before. That is huge. Let's see what it does. So let's go through the English, United States. Oh, bring it close together. Nice. So it tells you to position it in the other frame. Okay, put my password in. Bam. We're in that thing. Nice and simple. Y'all, what's in the box? So it came with, this is nothing, just a charging cable. That is the only thing in this box. There's no manual, there's no block, just the charging cable. And the charging cable is the lightning to USB-C. So all your old blocks won't work with this one. You have to get the new block or a new charging block, whatever you call it. And if you have an iPad, this won't charge your iPad. It's only gonna charge your phone because the iPad uses the USB-C. Man, Apple was good, man. So I have to get all new blocks. I have to get a new car charger because my car charger uses the regular USB, and man, that's difficult. But yeah, so phone's ready. Let me set up my Face ID. you to look around. That's dope. I don't know if y'all can see, but like it tells you to move around. Kind of like with the fingerprint, you have to move it all the way around. Gotta do something with your head. It's pretty cool. Face ID's now set up. This is nice. Transfer your data. You can directly transfer your data during setup or finish downloading it later. You can transfer from iPhone, sorry. Transfer from iPhone. Transfer directly so this iPhone will be ready with your data when you finish setting up, about 25 to 35 minutes. Or you can download from iCloud. You can start using your phone in about 15 minutes. Your data will download later over Wi-Fi. I think I'm gonna do it from my phone. I'm not rushing, so I'll just do it from my phone. It says it'll take about 25 to 35 minutes. So when that finishes up, I'll let y'all know. Yeah, back to the box and what's in the iPhone. It's really just a nice black box with the charger. No headphones, no block. Oh, they do give you a sticker though. Can't forget about the sticker. And a couple sheets, a little sheet of paper. Okay, yeah, not really, it didn't take that long, but it was about 15 minutes. But, done, transferred all of my data, still transferring, but this thing is nice, y'all. The screen is super clear. Sorry for all the glares. The screen is super clear. The camera is 1,000 times better than what I had before. So you can take a new quick video. It says tap and hold the shutter to record a quick video. Drag the shutter to the left for burst. It's pretty cool. Of course, that's portrait mode, video, slow-mo, time-lapse, all that fun stuff. It uploaded all of my cards in my wallet, so it's ready to go. But yeah, so to recap, the phone is a lot bigger than the X or the 10. I think it's 6.7 inches. I believe the 10 was like 6.1 maybe. So over ½ inch bigger. The camera's a lot better. The screen's a lot clearer. What else? You don't get a charging block. You only get a charging cable with the USB-C and Lightning. And you don't get any headphones. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go play with my new phone, my new toy. Make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Let us know how y'all like these videos. And we will see you all later. All right, y'all, peace. iPhone 12 Max.